Website dealerships are making this mistake every single day, and we're going to tell you how to fix it. Welcome to Trade Pending TV. Today, September 1st, is National Tofu Day. God, that is gross. Oh my God. In marketing speak, TOFU stands for top of the funnel. That is, shoppers that are in the early stages of their buying cycle. This describes the vast majority of people visiting your website today. They have ended up there from a Google search, a third-party aggregator, a paid campaign, an email newsletter, or whatever. The biggest mistake we see dealers making is thinking that all these people are ready to buy a car right now, or bottom of the funnel, and steering them into a full-blown appraisal or digital retailing process. Just don't. To be fair, the dealers really aren't at fault here. It's us, the automotive software vendors, that are the problem, because every company insists you use their call to action buttons, whether or not that's actually what's best for the end user and where they are in the buying journey. Yes, of course, some small percentage of shoppers will be ready to buy a car and willing to spend more time answering questions, finding their VIN, taking pictures of their car to upload. But the fix here, use your call to action buttons and their wording wisely. Steer those highly motivated shoppers into those more complex tools. Everyone else, the 95% of your other website visitors, give them the information they want quickly for their trade-in, for their payment quote, whatever. And I hope I don't have to eat tofu every time that we talk about top of the funnel. We'll see you next time.